Welcome home to this incredible tri-level home sitting on a large corner lot. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms with separate tubs and showers. Open kitchen with granite countertops, large family room, converted 2-car garage can be a beautiful theater room or recreation room. Study/office that leads to the patio or can be used as a 4th bedroom, laundry room with washer and dryer, heating system a year old. This home has so much versatility to meet your family needs. Call today for your tour.